workshop is that we want to cover a lot so that you go home to train. And if you don't train for a year, it's not our fault, right?
But we're here every Sunday and Thursday.
Yeah. But if we don't show you anything, then that's our fault. Okay? So we need I was just going to say a big guy, he goes like this. Stand right here. Right. Ready? Yeah, okay. And just like this, drop it a little bit. You are the dummy, okay? Like every school has one that does not move. So the idea is, I use him to judge distance. So I'm not going to punch him. I use the distance. Can you see here? Mm-hmm. And you do this, no fighting, no drop. When you do that, can you see? Do that. Mm-hmm. And the key is, this is a little bit messy. When I finish, my feet must be firmly planted. Can you see? Firmly planted. Now I have power. If it's like I'm messy, I don't have power. So once I'm here, can you see? Here. You have to have this here. But at the beginning, no threat to him. So you drop it, I'll touch you, you see. You guys all have this kind of things. Only here, nothing. So when we push hands, you touch me. Can you see? No threat. That's the learning. This one is very, very difficult because you can't help but push him a little bit. Only touch. Love is only skin deep. Mm-hmm. 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 Two in a pair, as fast as possible, as strong as possible, but do not push your opponent. Once you're in, you win. If you start this too early, can you see? Whatever his response is, we get into a struggle. Nothing here.